morning. It is January 12th. We are here at our new site. We are putting up some walls today. We're so excited to be bringing you into this journey where we are starting our building.
Today at the Feedmore site, we're excited because we are in our second day of tilt wall lifting. We have set 50 panels around the site and have had them cured, and we have our team TNT Concrete out here lifting the panels. We're up to 9 panels at this point, and our goal is to try to get to 20 panels today, and then we'll work tomorrow and also Monday. So this is a critical part of the project. Once we get the walls up, that releases us to have the steel come on site. The steel goes up as well as the decking, then the roofing happens. Once we get what we call dried in, that really allows for more of the intricate work to get started with the kitchen areas, the freezers, some of the areas in the warehouse that we have to do. And so this is really a big milestone for us to get this started. And once it gets started, we know we'll be done within 3 or 4 days of having all the walls out.
So this new building is an incredible space. It's going to be much more efficient for our organization, which allows us to bring a lot more into the community, bringing food out to everyone who needs it, providing nourishing meals to those who are most in need at this time. It is going to provide a new home for us that we have designed from the ground up to provide efficiency, to make sure that all of our programs are working at full capacity. We have way more kitchen space. We have a freezer that is going to be 14,000 square feet of space. We have a warehouse that we're standing in right now under construction that is going to be able to hold and efficiently move much more food than we do now. Everything about this building is designed for Feedmore and to make sure that we are supporting the community and making sure that we're getting nourishing food out to anyone who needs it. We just cannot thank our donors, our construction team here, our staff, our leadership, everyone in the community who has been supporting this so far. We cannot say thank you enough. This has been so crucial for our mission, and this is going to be an exciting time, and that is only made possible because of these amazing folks. If you want to join this journey with us and see this building to completion, help us along the way, you can pledge your support. You can help us at any point, anytime. Please head to feedmore.org/nourish and you can learn more.